Alright. Well, we just got done, watching that, baseball game. So, I was on the good old, Facebook Marketplace, and this dude had a rusty Tundra. And welcome to today's, Alfred Alice All-Out Diesel series. So, he said, oh, I have this truck. It's rusty as crap. So, we bought it. Well, we're about to buy it. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh my God. When he said this thing, it has no back bumper. When he said this thing is rough, he meant it. Holy crap. There is no way a truck. It's even on the mirror, dude. Good Lord. I did not know a truck could get that rusty. Even the interior's bullcrap in there. Look at the steering wheel. Why does it look like an 85 steering wheel? Good Lord, this truck got rusty. And he said if no one bought it, he was going to put it right here, because this is a monster truck track. This is Monster Jam, his version anyways, which is a beautiful map. It's by Jamie Miller, so go check it out. But anyways, back to the roleplay. Sorry. He was going to put it right here, and he was going to smack his Gravedigger into it, the original Gravedigger. So, let's decatch the trailer, swap. Somehow, he said that this thing runs. How? I don't know. But I'm not going to keep it running. Oh, you're kidding. Okay, there it goes. It died. It died again. Dude, this thing's a piece of loving crap. Legit, dude, this thing's a piece of crap. But guys, I'm going to go get, I'm going to get this on the trailer. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Hello guys, I just wanted to stop the video real quick. I promise this will be real quick. So, here's all the merch. I have 27 designs. So we got Trackmaster, we got I Love My Dad, I Love My Mom. And for some of y'all Christians out there, I can do all things through Christ. 116 subscribers, which we had at one point, which thank you for 137. This isn't gonna be good. Sometimes it's what I say in every single thing. Mostly, all the time. So, click the link down in the description down below to go see my merch. Once you go down, it should send you right to my thing. And if you already have Snaptee, just look up, like if you don't want to use the link down below, in the description down below, just look up Track 13, as you see right there. If you see a picture of a SRT Scat Pack right there, as you see, as the profile picture, that car right there, that's me. So, hopefully, you guys are going to enjoy my merch. Subscribe. Back to the video. Alright. Well, we are back. And we are heading back to the shop. And I'm letting the boys at the shop do something crazy to this thing. We'll just say that. I'm letting them do a free budget. The budget is however many you need it to be. So you can go crazy. You can go 18-inch lift with whatever you want. So this is about to be nuts. Whatever they're about to do to this thing. Oh Lord. I'm gonna regret this, I already know. You guys have free budget. Oh, they're gonna absolutely make me regret this. Alright, let's turn into the shop here. I'm gonna regret giving the boys a free budget. Alright, let's get the Tundra on the trailer over here. Let's actually straighten it out over there, bro. And perfect. Swap. Attach. Uh-oh. We're seeing behind the scenes of what I have to deal with when I say, I'll see you guys in a minute. This is what I have to deal with. Alright. Let's go over here. Perfect. Alright. Go back and, okay, there we go. Well, I'm going to go, I parked too close. Okay, anyways. Yeah, I can't pop a penny behind that. I parked so close to the building. Well, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to work on the motor. Oh, I gotta go up this way. I'm going to go over here. Work on the motor. So, I'll see you guys when I get this truck and me and the boys get this truck done. It's gonna be pretty hype. Okay, so so me and the boys, we just got this done. All I'm gonna say, this is the biggest truck I think I have had for a while. Hey, yo. Let's hop in this. Yo, this thing looks bad booty, dude. Sheesh. Dude. When I mean sheesh, I mean sheesh. Hey, yo. So what we got here is a some year Toyota Tacoma. Not Tacoma. Is it Tacoma? Tundra. There we go. Toyota Tundra. Like an 18-inch lift. 35s. With 35-inch wheels. Green underside. Look, I can step under the entire vehicle. So, got green bolts, green drive shafts, 4-link suspension. We even got, if I come around over here, we even got green hubs, green bolts for the entire thing. Looks actually really, really sick. No fancy stuff like tow mirrors. There's no toolbox in the back, as you can see. It's got a sunroof. Show you this real quick. Like a 9-inch exhaust. It's pretty cool. You got a color matched back bumper, regular front bumper to match the grill. This thing's actually really, really nice, I gotta say. So, if you guys did enjoy the video, please like, subscribe. The Minecraft video from yesterday, the Q&A video, which, thank you for watching that video. Did you guys like it? Put it down in the comments down below. And I know I said I said in the video, I'll put all their names down in the comments down below. How, like, I couldn't remember people, their names. Well, I meant to say I'll put it down in the description. So I'll just put it down in the description down in this video so you can check it out. Of all the people that I meant to say. But I'm not going to actually because I know them now. It was FaZe Rug, T700 Gaming, Barry Bugs, Polecat, Jeff Fabiano, Narrator, Molly, Josh, Juicy, and Eddie VR. Yeah, so that's pretty much all the people. FaZe Rug. So, the squad, Romeo Buck, Austin Farmer, the Pickle, aka Jake. So that's pretty much all the people that inspired me to be a gaming YouTuber. So go check out all the channels, all the names I just said, like your narrator, everything like that. That's their names for their YouTube channel. So go check it out. Their names, yeah, they're pretty cool. Their channel is really, really sick. It's just like mine, only they use FS17. They have way more subscribers than I do, obviously. They're a lot funnier. So, hopefully, you guys enjoyed this Offered Aloes. It's Offered Aloes. What's it called? Offered Aloes series. I'm gonna keep on doing this series because some of you guys actually, on the video that I got the Ford on tracks, that is 49 views. That was a really cool truck. So, we'll see how much this gets. But, yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. And this was Trackmaster on All Out Diesel. Bye, everybody!